Have you ever wondered why Nahuatl words are so long, such as the word Iztaccíhuatl or Quetzalcoatl or Tlamachtiquet or Xochitlamanchiquet? Well, Nahuatl is an agglutinating language, which means that you can form compound nouns or compound verbs by adding prefixes and suffixes. So let me give you an example. So for example, let's start with the word xochitl. Now, xochitl means flower, but you can add it to the word tlamantli, thing, to create the word xochitlamantli, which means a flowery thing, which is a word that you could use for art. Say xochitlamantli, a piece of art or a piece of something artistic. Well, you can make that word even longer by adding the verb chiwa, to make the verb xochitlamanchihuat, which means to make something flowery, literally, but it is a way to say to make art. You can add the suffix at the end, ket, which is the adjective, to make it xochitlamanchiquet, which means artist. Well, you can add the prefix of my in front of that word to make it no xochitlamanchica, my artist. Now, if I respect this artist and I venerate this artist, I can say no xochitlamanchicatzin. And if there are multiple artists that I love and venerate, like my venerated artist, I could make it no xochitlamanchicatzinwan. And as you can see, the words in Nahuatl can become really, really long. There's not a lot of limits to how you can construct words. That's a feature that makes the Nahuatl language so beautiful and so pretty. And it sounds really nice. Do you all know any other agglutinating languages out there in the world? I'm curious to know what languages you speak and what the longest word that you know in any language. Let me know in the comments below.